Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So once you've logged into LinkedIn and upgraded to a Sales Navigator account, then just click on the top right corner here. It will have a button that takes you straight to the Sales Navigator section of LinkedIn. And at the top, you'll see that you have three main categories, which is your lists, which are basically people that you've saved, your potential leads and things like that. The Discover section, which is where you go to find new leads, and LinkedIn also gives you recommendation on your leads. And then the Admin section, which is just, to manage settings and things like that. So the main part of LinkedIn Sales Navigator that you'll be using is mainly going to be the List and Discover section, and probably more the Discover section. So what we want to do to really get started is to actually start looking for your potential clients on LinkedIn. So to get started, you'll see this search box right at the top here, and then just click on Advanced. And you'll see it gives you two options, so you can search for leads or you can search for accounts. So leads means searching for people, and accounts means searching for different businesses or company names. So depending on who you're targeting, it might be better to search for the people, or it might be better to search for the companies and then search for the decision makers within those companies. Again, it really depends on who you're actually looking to target. But let's just assume you're looking to target the people, so you will search for leads, and it doesn't matter what you click on too much, it will more or less give you the same kind of thing. So it will pop up with this box, and this is where, this is one of the most powerful things that Sales Navigator has, and it allows you to really drill down and find exactly who you want to target. So if we add things like, let's do the United Kingdom, you can also do a city or your post or zip code as well. I normally do the geography. I also do an industry. Let's say you want to target people in retail, so you can do that there. You can also do things like their job titles. So if I wanted to target people who were managing directors or CEOs, all the kind of different job titles that I want to target, I could put that in there as well. I normally do job title first, and then if I don't find what I'm looking for in the job title, then I might do seniority level, which basically just allows you, again, to go after the decision makers. You can also do how long they've been at a company. I normally leave this blank. Obviously, it might apply to you, but in most cases, for most clients and people that we work with, normally we don't, do this. It doesn't really matter too much. So the most important ones really are the geography, the industry, the title, possibly the seniority level, but you don't have to do it. And also the company headcount, so the size of the company. So you can go from self-employed to 1 to 2 members of staff to 11 to 50, all the way up to 10,000. This is really, really powerful stuff. Again, this stuff really gives LinkedIn an advantage over other channels like Facebook, where Facebook doesn't have all this data readily available to them, but LinkedIn does, because LinkedIn knows how many people work at the company, because people fill in all that information. So if we wanted to target people that have, 11 to 50 and 51 to 200 members of staff, we can do that. And then every time I start updating things, you'll see the results changes in real time as well. So I can actually play around with this and see how many results we get. So if I added, for example, the United States, logically the results would be higher. So we'll just wait for that to update. So there we go, 4,800 results. And you can just play around with the different settings and see what works best for you. And obviously, if it says like 2 or 5 or 10 or 20, that's not very good. So you want to broaden it out a little bit more to find more people. Or maybe it's just that the people you're searching for just don't exist. So this really allows you to really find who are the people you're looking for and start searching for them and see how many of those there are. So 1,600 is a pretty good number to get started from. So I'm going to just click on search. And this is where it will give you the list of results. So if you remember from my previous video, I said that you want to really target people on LinkedIn that are active on LinkedIn. So you see, even though we have 1,600 different results, if you were to start connecting and speaking to all of these people, there's a large possibility that these people don't even check their LinkedIn, so they're not super active. So what you want to do, and this is one of the biggest game changers for the people that use LinkedIn, because most people don't know about this, is you want to click here and you want to target people that have posted on LinkedIn within the last 30 days. So you can see here that the people who are actually active from this total search results is only 199 people. Now, 199 people, if they're good quality people, is still a good amount. So, don't be worried that, oh, 199, that's tiny compared to 1,600. No, that's still pretty good. If you had a few clients from 100 or 199 people, that's still pretty good, right? So it's just important, though, that you do target those that are active on LinkedIn. And that's why you need to click here. And then when you click here, it will tell you those that have posted on LinkedIn in the last 30 days. And then these are the kind of people that you can start connecting with and engaging with and start reaching out to. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can start talking to these people the right way, in a way that isn't salesy or annoying or anything like that, in a way that actually provides value and helps these people and gets them aware of what it is that you actually do and how you can actually help them. So I'll do that in the next video. And for now, just have a look on LinkedIn and use the search box to find those that are your potential clients, and then look for the most active. And you can also save your searches as well if you wanted to at some point in the future. So you see we have a list here of all the different people, and then we can start going through this list. And you can also filter through the results as well over here as well. So that's pretty much it. In the next video, I'll show you how you can start connecting to them in the right way.